other one too, which is really good. Yep, this is Micah now. This is the real Micah. Wants to work.
Alright,
That's
I'm
good,
gonna
healthy.
see if there's a kennel in here. There may not be.
Quiet. How tall do you think she is, Tessa?
Tall? She's probably about
18.
About 18.
No, she's more than that. Probably
She's about 20, I
maybe
think.
19.
Micah.
She's not. She would jump 20 though.
Yeah.
She reminds me of Penny. She's got a little bit of leg, so she jumps higher than she looks.
We saw a picture of Penny. Gosh, she was pretty.
She's a cutie.
Ray was telling me about her the other day when he was comparing Penny to Boomer.
Totally different dogs.
Yep.
There's no way Coda would stay that far away.
Oh, look how cute she is.
Isn't she precious? I think the puppies are all going to be sold before they're bred.
That's usually the plan. Oh, she has a big bark.
But she only uses it when she's supposed to.
You got
That's
a
cool.
little working.
I know how you feel.